Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your account. Mojang or Microsoft matters because OAuth differs. Once done, make sure Java matches Lunar Client requirements or use its bundled runtime. Mismatched Java causes auth failures. Next, close competing launchers and temporarily disable antivirus or firewall because they often block authentication ports. While you do this, keep your login credentials ready and note any recent password or account changes. This helps isolate whether the issue is local or account-related before continuing to deeper fixes. Now you clear cache and config to remove corrupted tokens. Navigate to the Lunar Client folder in %appdata% and delete the cache and settings folders. After that, reinstall the latest Lunar Client and run it as administrator to ensure proper permissions. This resolves many handshake problems. If login still fails, collect the launcher logs from %appdata%/lunarclient/logs and note exact error messages. These logs show token, OAuth, or network errors, and they guide the next actions, like resetting tokens or adjusting. Finish by resetting your account sessions. Log out of Microsoft or Mojang in a browser, clear cookies, then log in and retry Lunar Client. That refreshes tokens. Make sure no proxy, VPN, or ISP-level filter blocks the OAuth endpoints. If needed, test a mobile hotspot or different network. If problems persist, copy the exact error lines from the logs and contact Lunar Client support or post them in the community. Provide the log snippets so they can pinpoint token, certificate, or network failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.